So, you are looking to apply for the FANTIC grant for a fast forward class. You must go through the domicile process first. Now, we will first go with nvcc.edu to go to our webpage. Go to I am a continuing education student. From here, if you have not made an account yet, please do this. So we will click here. If you have been a NOVA student in the past and you have an SISID number, you would input it here. Be sure that you complete all of the fields here and continue and go through this until it has been completed. Once you have an account, you can sign in. All right, now when we sign in, you would then find your class. So we will go to all classes, and then the fast forward classes are up here, healthcare and information technology. So I will go to healthcare, and we will assume that I am taking one of them. So we will find the class. Let's assume it's this one. I will click here on the class, and then add it to the cart. All right, once you add it to the cart, you will have a pop-up come up. In this pop-up, you should answer all questions. So of course, you should review everything here very closely. Answer all questions. Now, it will probably ask you some domicile questions, such as, have you driven an automobile registered in Virginia for the past 12 months, or are you registered to vote? Please answer all of those for whoever it is that is being determined for domicile for you. So I click here. And at the end, you will put in your initials and submit. Once that's completed, that should be it. You can view the cart, and the price should go down to 1/3 of what it was originally. So this one was $19.50. It went to $6.50 if you are in fact domiciled. Once this is all completed, contact Nova Workforce Answers at nvcc.edu or whoever has instructed you to do this for more information. And you should clear your cart. That's always a good idea as well. And they will let you know what to do next.